Hey everyone, welcome to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix the Facebook Reels video no sounds issue on iPhone. If you're having trouble with no sound while watching Facebook Reels, keep watching for some quick and easy fixes. Method 1. Check volume and audio settings. First, turn up the volume using the side buttons on your iPhone. If the volume is too low, this could be the reason why you're not hearing anything. Next, open Settings and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Make sure the volume slider is turned all the way up. Now enable Change with Buttons to ensure your volume settings can be adjusted through the side buttons. Afterward, go back to Settings, tap on Accessibility, then tap Audio and Visual. Here, check that the audio balance is centered between the left and right channels. If it's off, that could be causing your sound issues. Method 2. Offload Facebook app. To start, open Settings and tap General. Then go to iPhone Storage and scroll down until you find the Facebook app. Tap on the app and select Offload App. This will temporarily remove the app but keep its data. Confirm by tapping Offload App again, and once done, reinstall Facebook from the App Store. Finally, check if the sound issue has been resolved by opening Facebook and playing a reel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful guides.